What's up guys, Prometheus here, and today we'll be doing a tutorial on CapCut. Now I already did a recording of an Android game. Let's go to start a new project, and then we're going to clip right there and port it into our project. It's in the timeline right now. Do need to trim it up a bit. So by the way, this is free. When you export it, there's no watermarks or anything. We're just going to scroll down the timeline here. We're kind of messed up a little bit because I didn't really know what I was doing, and never played Android game before, let alone record. I'm going to put it about right there, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and make a cut. Let's see, we're going to make a cut right there, split, and then on the left here we're going to select that, and then we're going to delete that one. Boom, there we go. Now we need something, we want them to get, like, we want to make a lower third of something, of course, so we're going to have to add our text right there at the bottom. Now we got to use a bunch of other stuff. It's really cool. Text format, text template right here, social medias, stuff like that. I don't really want to do that. I kind of want to keep it nice and clean, but those are very useful. A bunch of other stuff. It's really awesome. Okay, let's go back to that. I just wanted to show you. Okay, add text, and then we want to we'll put YouTube. We'll make it look at the lower third for our YouTube. Boom. Plus on. Okay, and then we're gonna drag it right about right here, and then we want to go ahead with style. Of course, we can change the font. I'm gonna leave the font just like that, maybe, and then let me see what we got for style here. Seems like a bunch of them. We'll just do that one for style. Then we go to our animations. Of course, there's a bunch of them that's pretty useful. We're going to do the jolt forward. It's kind of that glitch effect. Boom. Alright, go back here, add another one, and we're just gonna, I'm gonna add my little thing here. Boom, boom, and we're just gonna mirror that pretty much. We're gonna drag it under, right underneath here, and then font, style, we're gonna add the same style. Then we're gonna scroll down and change the size a little bit, just like that. Now you can use your thumbs or a pen if you had one. I'm using a pen, but you're gonna need to use a little bit of both, to be honest with you. Make sure that's highlighted. The style, let's go back to style, animation. We want the same jolt forward effect. Boom. Okay, and we'll play this, see how that looks. Boom, just like that. Okay, cool, great, grand gravy. Now we want to also, not only that, we want to give them, the viewers, some type of to remind them to actually subscribe and stuff like that. So what I did was I took something from Streamlabs, the social reminders that you can get free. It's easy. We want to click on overlay, add overlay, and then boom, we're going to import that just like that. Looks like that. Bingo. Now once it's overlay, we want to go to go over here, and the Chroma Key, we want to get rid of the green here. Oops, my bad. We want to get rid of the green. At least we're trying to. I did notice sometimes it's a little finicky at times, so you gotta be patient with it. But there's there's so many options here that can. Oh, you should be able to make these, but for some reason it hasn't yet. Some, you know how Android apps are, but let's see if we can get rid of it. Chroma Key. There we go. There we go. That's what we need to do right there. We need to boom. And see if we can get rid of it. Normally you could just do that, but let's do the intensify and bring it out. There we go. Boom, and that's that too. And okay, we're scrolling. Little cutscene here. They have many, just so many stuff, so much. I would say honestly, and there's no watermark whatsoever when you export it, which is awesome. And they give you so many options of like 4K. I don't know why you would want to do 4K, but still 1080p, all that good stuff. You have stabilizer. You can add audios, other stuff here. There's so much to include. I just wanted to make this a short little video though, and yeah, this is good. This is good stuff here. I'll go to now. We should do quick little filters. You can do all these filters right here. So I mean, it's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. And then they have, of course, the transitions, the spins, the spin, zooms, all that. The basic ones is pretty awesome. Video effects right here. The trending here, and you know, the blur. But I mean, the animations itself is ideal for this one. This is what I like about it. Of course, I don't use too much transitions in my videos, but for that matter though, it looks pretty good, except for that right there. I'll get rid of that later, or if I can. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below if you want me to keep making some more videos, or just smash the like one. If I get enough likes, I'll start making more like in-depth ones, like playlists and stuff. Stick to the basics and then keep moving forward. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy editing.